sayang ang time kasi aside from giving the defense a fair chance to go over the submissions of the prosecution, ang daming problema ng bansa Kagabi lang tumataas na naman ang presyo ng langis, di ba? So may mga committee hearings naman na pwede kaming gawin at saka mga yung sa session, from problems sa economy, problema sa agrikultura, name it, we have it, and we'll be dealing with that. Ang question ko po, will the prosecution be needing time or will they still reply kapag if and when the prosecution, the defense submits some objections to you will submit on Friday, tama po ba? Tapos sila Wednesday. So do you need time na sagutin pa yon?
Hindi na po. Pag nasubmit namin ng Friday yon, and we will submit it kung may opposition, then we'll submit it for resolution na.
Because we're assuming na sa Thursday, makakapag-decide na po kami para mag-trial na ng Monday. But there's a big possibility na kung marami pong i-bring up ang depensa, kung 247 documents yan, matinding review at saka pag-uusap pa ang gagawin namin. So I just wanted to know whether submitted nyo na as far as you're concerned kung ano ibibigay nyo sa Friday, then we will deal with their objections. And then then the court will make the decision.
Tama po yun, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, Mr. President,
The gentleman from Ilocos Sur.
may we
then
request,
Senator
Mr. President, there was a statement here earlier made by the good lady from Iloilo referring to the prosecution as gago. Baka naman po pwedeng matanggal yon dahil baka hindi naman po maganda sa posterity natin na nababasa po yun na natawag po kami na...
No objection, Mr. President.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Mr. President.
All right.
Mr. President,
Strike the term G-A-G-O from the record.
Mr. President, may we recognize Senator Ralph Recto?
The gentleman from Batangas.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, just a clarification. I heard earlier that we come back on March 12. Is that correct, Mr. President? That means for 1 week next week there is no sessions.
We will resume the trial of this impeachment case on March 12 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
That is right. And that would mean, Mr. President, that we